Hello everyone. This is the science video of class 6 in which we discuss about chapter electricity which is presented by me Priya Singh. This is a fifth lecture of electricity chapter. In this video we will talk about a construction and working of electric bulb. Let's get start. Next topic is electric bulb. Electric bulb converts electrical energy into light energy and heat energy. The bulb consists of small glass bulb fixed on the metal case. Inside the glass bulb, there is a very thin fixed wire between two thick wire. The thick wire inside the bulb is called as filament of the bulb. Filament is usually made up of very thin tungsten wire. It is the filament of the bulb which glow when the electricity from the cell is passed through it. The two thick wire inside the glass bulb provide support to the filament and also make a connection of the filament to the outer circuit. The lower end of the thick wire is connected to the metal tip at the bottom of the bulb, whereas the lower end of the other thick wire is connected to the metal case of the bulb. The metal tip of the base of the bulb and the metal case of the bulb are the two terminal of the bulb. So, a bulb has a two terminal. The two terminal of the bulb do not touch each other. They are separated by an insulating material between them. Now, the working of bulb. How the bulb works. When two terminals of the cell are connected to terminals of the bulb by using wires, the electric current passes through the filament of the bulb and it starts glowing. The bulb light up when its metal tip and the metal case connected to the cell through wires. When the electric current from the cell passes through the filament of the bulb, the filament gets heated too much. The filament become hot and start giving light. This is the all construction and working of bulb. Now we can see the diagram of bulb. This diagram. Now we can see the diagram of bulb. In this diagram you easily see this is the glass covering of bulb and this is the metal case. This is the metal case and this is the two wires which support this filament, and this filament is made up of tungsten. Inside this glass which the gas is filled inside it. The gas name is argon or any inert gas is filled inside this glass. Thank you.